Alright, I'm actually waiting for a subscriber of mine. He's on his way. He's almost here. So, talk to you guys in a bit once he's here. We're gonna do some bass fishing. Stay tuned. Oh, I got fish. Oh no, it popped off. No! I was still jigging, bro. Like, what? It was running to the side, dude. Look.
Oh, damn.
It was like running sideways. I'm like, wait, what? They got a fish on.
Are you using like missile baits?
Yeah, this is missile bait. Got one? Oh, daddy's on. Yeah. There it is. Oh, yeah, they fight hard, dude.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, you need that, dude? Oh, man, you might. Oh, snap, it's stuck. All right, here you go. Ooh, that's a nice one, bro.
Nice one.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
let's go.
Oh my god.
That's a good one,
That's
dude.
a good one.
Yeah.
Big head, small body.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, for this lake,
Yeah,
it's real good, dude. My guy's on the Cinco, or what you doing? Ned rig. There you go. Never fails.
The color.
Dang, you pinned it. Yeah, good fish, dude.
Yeah.
Nice.
1.5.
Yeah, big head. Yeah.
Yeah,
I said they're still feeding. Oh, it's a big fish, and it's sitting in the shade.
Yeah, because I take the fishing, and then we'll be fishing the
Oh, dude, he had it. He had it. My line ran towards me. What? Ah, freaking fish. Yep, right here. Damn, dude, come on, man. You gotta get in there, bro. He's picking up my tail. That's what he's doing, cause my, oh. Yeah, he's in here, he's in here.
We'll do a no skunk day for both of us.
I hope it's a bass. Yeah, they pick up the tail, you know, like especially if they're not that big, they just pick it up and they try to run with it. You got one? Oh. Oh yo. Sorry, you got one? Yep. Man, dog, just casting over there. Dog, they want that Ned rig, bro. Here, I got you. Yeah, it's the Ned. I was just slipping over there. GG there. GG.
Came off again. Came off again.
What?
Damn.
Wow. Dang, dude.
I'm gonna post that.
All right, let's see here. Come on, man, come off. Got one.
Oh, really?
Yep. Let's go. And it's a walleye, dude. Where you at? It's a walleye, no skunk. Oh, jeez. Haha. The skunk today. Yeah, popped off. You got your net rig ready? Oh, I got hit, dude. I got whacked, bro. Get the net. This is a nice one, dude. Oh my gosh. This is a nice one, bro. Oh, dude. Oh, dude, it's a big fish. Oh my gosh. It's a big fish, dude. Oh, it's a big pike. Either a pike or a muskie. Damn, big pike, dude. Hold on.
Oh, you barely took.
Ah! Damn, thing's huge. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Oh, man.
Hold on.
Dude, that thing's big, dude.
Thick as heck. Should be good enough. All right, see ya, buddy. I don't want to hold you out too long. Ugh, sticky as heck. It's all good. Me, I want like everybody to catch fish, so I always try to position it where. That's a nice one. Nope. Low guy. Yeah, I got it. Oh, not paying attention. He's good. Man. Oh, it's a long guy.
Yeah, it's long.
just not full. Jeez. Finally. Oh, it's good, dude. Yeah, it's a nice bass. Yeah. Get some pictures later. Nope, but I heard of it. Yeah, heard of it. Why? There you go. I got him. I got him. Yep. That's a nice one. Oh, and it fucking wrapped me around the dock.
Oh my god.
That was a bass.
Yeah, that was a nice one.
Ah, he wrapped. I was still like, yeah. I threw it back in there. He ate it. That was a bass. Yeah, because he started going sideways. That was a big bass, dude.
That looked like a nice one.
Fuck, dude. Ah,
Oh my god.
it wrapped me around his dock. Man, dude. Ah, shit. You see me fight him? It was a big bass, dude. Yep, I set the hook on him and he ran right to the left side and he went under the dock. I felt it wrap around and that was it. Yep. Alright, for real now, I'll shoot across. You know what? I quit. Go up there, yep. Skinny guy. There he is. Yep. Yep. Mà muốn lại của con hả? Yeah. That way he doesn't like. I got one. Big bass, big bass. Oh my gosh. Big bass, dude. Big bass. Oh, dude, big bass. Hurry, bro. I got you. Big bass, dude. Big bass. Yes, dude, let's go. That's a big one, dude.
Oh, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
That's nice.
Look at that.
Dude, that's great.
Dang. Ah. That's a nice bass.
Oh, that's a double up with different species.
Freaking pike back there. You recording?
Yep.
Yeah, decent one right there. Hey, they're so feisty, dude.
Woo.
Nice.
Look at that one.
Finally.
Oh, dang.
Well, for now.
Oh, man.
Got one? Got one. Not really. He's just a digger. Yeah, I got him. He just dug me real hard. Uh, 14, 15 incher. Yeah. Yeah, he just dug me real hard. You know how hard they fight. Just feel big. I thought he was big. He got caught in the weeds.
Oh, you got caught in the weeds?
Yeah. Where's my... Yeah, not bad. We'll let this one go. Yup, big ass bass, dude. Get the net, get the net. Big ass bass, bro. Let's go, dude. That's a 4-pounder.
That's a 4-pounder.
Dang, it's huge. Oh my god, that might be a 5, dude.
That's 5.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh, dude, that's a big one.
That's a freaking giant.
That's a tank, dude.
Oh my gosh.
That's definitely bigger than 4.
Okay,
man.
let's throw it in the water real quick. Let it calm down. Dang,
Oh,
dude.
man. Oh my god. Big
Dude, it's a
one.
freaking giant.
That's a 5, dude.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm shaking. Ah. Little guy going in.
Little guy.
Yep. The feisty one. Another one. 2-pounder. Make sure my lens are clean. So 3.
3.
Then it's the 4-pounder. Go.
Damn.
Yep. Big bass. It's a nice fish right there. Gonna let him go. Do it nice and slow here so it doesn't freak out too much. Yep. Back it goes. Woo. But Got him, let's go! My drake! It's not that big. My drake just wasn't set, dude. Woo! Last fish. Last fish for me. Yeah. Look how stubby he is with the big head.
Fat bass.
Dude, their teeth are sharp.
Rocky bass.
Oh, finally.
They really taking like a black and blue today.
Yep, a dark color. Got him. He just took off running by that tree stump right there.